So here's that other outcrop of the white mineral that's coming out of the rock face. I'm not sure what it is. I believe it's that spot over there where I examined it more closely before and found it was like a real foamy in texture. So just take a look. And I'm just recording this with my iPhone because I've got my video camera in the car. Oh wow. That hole goes in quite a bit. This is crazy though. I'm guessing there's just coating the surface of like vesiculated basalt, but I think it's crazy how the bubbles are kind of smushed. Oh, here's another one of those little beetles. They're making use. We're seeing all kinds of these little guys out here today. I'm not sure which basalt flow this is from. This might be the Rosa basalt. Okay, here you can see it's like a real foamy kind of material. That might be like maybe like moss or something that's coated in it. But it goes all up through the rocks here. I don't know, could be caliche. And that would effervesce in acetic acid and hydrochloric. I believe the caliche is like calcium carbonate. Oh yeah, this is a real good example of this stuff here. And there's some neat details in the basalt, like this large vesicle here. I mean, it's not that large, but it's probably a spot where gas is venting out. Oh yeah, look, piece. Guess it would help to actually look at my camera screen to see what I'm recording. Man, this stuff probably glows pretty intense under the black light. Just put that back. This doesn't really matter. All I had to do is touch it. Here's another good sized little hole. Yeah, and this stuff. Okay, yeah, this is definitely a mineral. I thought it might be like a, I don't know if I can get a nice sample. I don't know, who knows? It could be like a mixture of like moss and then calcium carbonate that's leaching out of the rock. Just another piece of it. Wanted to examine some of it under the microscope. That one's interesting. Could also be like plant roots, perhaps, that are, because here's some type of plant. Never know, this could also be, you know, like such a saturated solution coming through the rocks that it replaces the cell walls of these like roots. So this could be I guess like a very recent form of a fossil. You know, something that wouldn't take very long at all. Yeah, here's a good little piece. And that one, definitely, you can see some roots in it. So, probably not much mystery here, but I think I'll take these little pieces. It's a good size one here. It's so lightweight. You can hear though it. I might just. It's more solid than the smaller pieces, so something to examine under the microscope. The microscope is hungry.